Attendees from all segments, from the bakery side, from the dairy side, confectionery. It's a nice broad range of attendees coming this year. The show is valuable to attendees from other segments to see what's going on in these other markets. There could be ideas that they may not have thought of before, or a machine can be used in a way it wasn't initially designed.
We've talked to a lot of suppliers here that, they go to a lot of production plants that can give me a lot of information on how should I set up my rooms, each processing room, a cooking room, or even a packing room. I've got a lot of good information on how I should design it so I don't end up building it the wrong way.
It's quite amazing. I'll say when I was first getting into the trade show scene, blew my mind away. Like, it was just crazy seeing dairy next to meat processing, next to plastic solutions, next to pumps. It's a crazy amount of everything, and there's some booths that have full service answers where it's a full conveyor belt baking system, and others that only sell sprayer heads.